Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get AVAX on MetaMask. First, you'll need to configure your MetaMask wallet to recognize the Avalanche C-chain network. This involves adding specific network details like the RPC URL and chain ID. Once connected, you can then transfer your AVAX tokens directly to your MetaMask address. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily manage your Avalanche assets. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the network selection drop-down at the top. Click on it and choose the Add Network option. From there, select Custom Network to manually input the Avalanche C-chain details. You'll need to provide the network name, a valid RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, which is AVAX, and the block explorer URL. Confirm these details to successfully add the network. Once your MetaMask is configured for Avalanche, you can transfer AVAX. First, copy your MetaMask wallet address, ensuring you're on the Avalanche C-chain network. Then, go to your preferred exchange or another wallet where your AVAX is held. Initiate a withdrawal, pasting your MetaMask address as the recipient. Always double-check the address and ensure you select the Avalanche C-chain for the transfer to avoid any loss of funds. With your AVAX successfully transferred, you'll see your tokens reflected in your MetaMask wallet under the Avalanche C-chain. You can now use your AVAX to cover transaction fees, participate in staking, or engage with the wide array of decentralized applications available on the Avalanche ecosystem. Explore various DeFi protocols, NFT, and games. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.